So now that we've got our variance report working with highlighting and connecting to different cubes and doing the variance for us, let's add something a little more, detail to help us with the troubleshooting exercise if we ever run into any variances. And what I mean by that is we're going to add a linked document here. So we look at the Features tab, click on Linked Documents. It'll add a linked document here, and all this one's already set up, but we'll go through what the pieces are. So we're going to call this one Detail. It's going to open in a new tab. The file, that's going to ask you to select which report you want this to run. So really, in this case, it's actually going to run against itself. So it's going to run this same report with a couple different page options. And when you use the link, we could do page options only, or we could choose one of the different data maps. We're going to choose, since the data maps are the same, it doesn't really matter in this case, but we can choose how we want to link this thing. So page options will be pretty much the same, but account, notice how account is different. So account is going to be using the dimension account rather than the page option. So whichever account someone selects, someone has clicked on, that's the one we want to have pass through. Similarly with time. So whichever time element they come through, we want to have that's the one that they're gonna see detail on. And one other difference we're gonna make, one change we're gonna make, is on the accounts. Whatever account someone selects, we're gonna show the children of that, the iChildren actually. So they're gonna pick an account. We'll show that one and then the children below it. So that gives us an element of navigation. So once they start seeing an account, they'll see what's below it. Oh, there's a variance. Okay, I can check this one out. Oh, there's another variance. I can check this one out. So you can start getting a little more of a navigation feel to it. So here we're showing iChildren in one map. So correspondingly, we have to show we should show iChildren in the other one to make sure they balance out. So what does this look like? So if we flip back to Clarity now, we'll see. So we run our report, get our page options. We see our variance. We're looking at net income for quarter 1 and quarter 2. Okay, quarter 2 is fine, but for quarter 1, we're seeing a variance there. So here's my variance. I want to look at my linked document validation for that. So now I'll jump down to income before taxes, which was that account. I know we're only looking at quarter 1. So income before taxes is broken up by income from operations, operating expenses, and interest expense. But I see, okay, that's where my variance is, so I can keep drilling down. Oh, it's still there. So you almost find it's almost a recursive exercise here. Now we can start drilling down. Okay, we see it's in revenue. We can go into revenue. Okay, we see now we're down to the account level. So we can see exactly what account now has our variance. So this can be quite powerful, that if you're doing testing between two environments, maybe after a change has happened, and you see a variance, this helps you not only identify it, but drill into it to the point that you can identify exactly what account and whatever other parameters you like to put along the rows makes up that variance between the two pieces.